Did you know many wars are connected to oil? Oil powers cars, planes, factories, and entire economies. Because of this, oil is one of the most valuable resources. The Middle East holds some of the world's largest oil reserves. Countries compete to control energy resources. Sometimes this competition leads to conflicts. Oil also controls global trade routes. When oil supply drops, fuel prices rise worldwide. Modern economies depend heavily on oil. That makes oil a powerful global asset. Energy resources shape international politics. And that's why oil often becomes the center of global conflicts. Follow for more facts. Airplanes almost never fly over Antarctica. And there are 3 important reasons. First, Antarctica has extreme weather. Temperatures can drop below -60 degrees Celsius. This can affect aircraft systems and fuel. Second, there are almost no airports. If a plane has an emergency, there's nowhere to land. Third, the region is extremely remote. Rescue operations could take days. That's why airlines avoid this route. Instead, they fly longer but safer paths. Would you fly over Antarctica? Comment down below. What would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Our planet spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. If it stopped suddenly, everything would keep moving at that speed. Buildings, trees, and even people could be thrown eastward. Winds would become the strongest storms in history. Oceans could flood entire continents. Day and night would last 6 months each. Temperatures would change drastically. Many ecosystems would collapse. But don't worry, Earth cannot suddenly stop spinning. But it shows how important Earth's rotation is. Follow for more facts. This tiny sea route controls the world's oil. It's called the Strait of Hormuz, and nearly 20% of the world's oil passes here. This narrow channel is only about 39 kilometers wide. Every day, massive oil tankers pass through here. If it ever closed, global oil prices could explode. Countries around the world depend on this route. That's why many navies patrol this region. Even small tensions here can affect the entire world. Because energy from this region powers many nations. That's why this tiny waterway is so important. Should the world depend on just one route for oil? What if Earth lost oxygen for just 5 seconds? It sounds small, but the effects would be shocking. Everyone outside would instantly struggle to breathe. The sky would suddenly turn completely dark. Buildings made with oxygen bonds could weaken. The sun would burn your skin instantly. The oceans could start evaporating very quickly. But after 5 seconds, oxygen would return again. And Earth would slowly return to normal. But those few seconds would cause chaos. Could humans survive something like this? Humans are finally going back to the moon. But this mission will do something we haven't done since 1972. NASA is preparing a historic mission called Artemis II. It will be the first crewed mission of the Artemis program. 4 astronauts will travel around the moon. But they will not land on the moon. Instead, they will orbit the moon and return to Earth. The mission will travel nearly 450,000 kilometers. It will be the farthest humans have traveled in space in over 50 years. This mission prepares for humans landing on the moon again. That landing mission will be called Artemis III, and it could start a new era of lunar exploration. Do you think humans will build cities on the moon someday? Did you know the ocean has a place deeper than Mount Everest? It's called the Mariana Trench. This trench reaches almost 11 kilometers deep. The deepest point is called Challenger Deep. The pressure here is over 1,000 times stronger than surface pressure. Most submarines cannot even reach this depth, yet strange creatures still live there, like the Mariana snailfish. Scientists also discovered giant deep-sea amphipods. Even today, most of this place is unexplored. Some experts say we know more about space than this trench. What do you think is hiding in the deep ocean? Follow for more facts.